CryptoPay Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The CryptoPay Wallet app claims to make spending crypto as easy as using your debit card. But is it really that smooth? Let's break down the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, the highlight of CryptoPay is its crypto debit card. This feature lets users spend Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major coins anywhere traditional Visa cards are accepted. You can load your balance instantly and use it for everyday purchases, groceries, travel, or even online shopping. Another big advantage is ease of use. The app is designed for beginners. You can buy, store, and exchange cryptocurrencies in a clean, simple interface. There's no complex setup or tech jargon, just straightforward crypto management. CryptoPay also provides multiple currency accounts, allowing users to hold balances in both crypto and fiat currencies. This makes it convenient for people who need to switch between traditional money and digital assets. In terms of security, the app offers two-factor authentication, cold storage, and encrypted data, keeping your funds safe from common threats. But what about the cons? One major drawback is that CryptoPay is not fully non-custodial. The company holds user funds, meaning you don't have direct control over private keys. That makes it less ideal for people who prefer full self-custody. Another limitation is regional availability. The card and certain features aren't supported in all countries, which can be frustrating for international users. Also, while convenient, fees can add up. There are small charges for card transactions, withdrawals, and currency conversions that might bother frequent users. In conclusion, the CryptoPay Wallet app is a great choice for people who want to spend their crypto in the real world. The surprising truth? It's not the most decentralized option, but if you want a bridge between crypto and everyday spending, CryptoPay delivers on its promise with style and simplicity.